This is Kyle here at Timmons Volkswagen. It's time for a Starbucks run, so I'm going to be taking the new 2019 Volkswagen Atlas for a spin, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. Let's get the jams going. Oh, I got to turn off the parking brake first.
Because I'm clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm clap along if you know what happiness is to you.
The amount of space on the inside of this thing is absolutely amazing. It's a 7-seater. You could fit 7 people all over 6 feet comfortably inside of here, which is something that you don't see from most of the other competitors. Oh, I can do it. I'm getting there. Okay, I'm turning it up a little bit. Now I gotta get ready for it.
Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. Mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me. For me. For me.
One of the other cool features about the radio is that it actually does come standard with Apple CarPlay, so you can jam out to all of your own favorite songs.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. Can I have one moment, please?
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
I'm gonna get a grande iced caramel macchiato, please. I woke up super early to go fishing this morning, so I haven't had my coffee yet. It's we're doing a video for the dealership.
Roll my windows down and cruise. This brand new beat when the music kicks. Look a hell of a lot better with you up in it. So baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise.
Thank you for cruising along with me for my Starbucks run. Come on down to Timmons Volkswagen, check this thing out for yourself, and stay tuned for more carpool karaoke.